Despite the assurances that it is safe, the India-based Neutrino Observatory project continues to hit roadblocks. Give a brief note on India-based Neutrino Observatory, INO. What is the significance of India-based Neutrino Observatory? What will be the impact of India-based Neutrino Observatory? What are neutrinos? GS Paper 3, Science and Technology. What is the context about? The National Green Tribunal on March 20 placed in suspension the environmental clearance given to the India-based Neutrino Observatory, INO. INO was to come up in the West Body Hills in Teeni district in Tamil Nadu. INO will be the second big project of Government of India, the first being the 30-meter telescope, which would come up in Hawaii. Ever since the INO got approval from the Ministry of Science and Technology, it has been drawing flack from activists despite repeated assurances from scientists that it is unlikely to harm the environment or affect the livelihoods of the people around the site. Give a brief note on India-based Neutrino Observatory, INO. The India-based Neutrino Observatory, INO, project is a multi-institutional effort aimed at building a world-class underground laboratory, with a rock cover of approx. 1,200 meters for non-accelerator-based high-energy and nuclear physics research in India. The initial goal of INO is to study neutrinos. Over the years, this underground facility is expected to develop into a full-fledged underground science laboratory for other studies in physics, biology, geology, hydrology, etc. What will be the impact of India-based Neutrino Observatory? INO is exactly like making a 2-inch hole to insert a pipe through a 10-foot high wall. It will not affect the stability of the hill. There will be hardly any disturbance after the construction period. The project involves the usage of explosives and is a threat to the highly sensitive ecology of the Western Ghats. Significance of India-based Neutrino Observatory. INO will study only neutrinos produced by cosmic rays in the Earth's atmosphere. Later can be used for doing underground experiments in pure research in biology, physics and chemistry as well. Study neutrinos, whether they have finite but small mass or not, and provide a precise measurement of neutrino mixing parameters. Development of detector technology and its varied applications is also an important aspect of the project. It could be used as a far detector for using beams from future accelerator-based neutrino factories in Japan, Europe and the US. What are neutrinos? Neutrinos are fundamental particles belonging to the lepton family. They come in 3 flavors, one associated with electrons and the others with their heavier cousins the muon and the tau. According to standard model of particle physics, they are massless. However, recent experiments indicate that these charge-neutral fundamental particles have finite but small mass which is unknown. They oscillate between flavors as they propagate.